All right, in order to begin with the hands-on, we got to create one GitHub account, right? Because we got to fire many commands here. So the link is simple. It's https github.com. Once you open, we got to sign up for GitHub. If you're completely new to GitHub, we got to fill up these basic details, email, password, and username, what you wish to suggest. Then click on create account. Once you are done, you got to, or if you already have an account, you will get the sign in. You might get the details on your email as well to confirm your account, right? Once confirmed, you can proceed with the sign in. Then you got to provide your username, which was, or the email which you have registered for the GitHub account, and password. Then click on sign in. Alternatively, you can also sign in using your Google or Apple account, or definitely, right, if you don't have an account, you can anytime go ahead and click create account. So once you are done signing in, the page will look something like this. So let's get started. We'll be firing up the next command, which we'll be seeing in our next lecture.